This week I'm looking at the Hyundai Venue. It's a small 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Hyundai Venue there are ISOFix in the two outer seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're lovely and easy to connect to. On the back of all three seat backs are top tether anchorages within plastic guides and really nice and easy to connect to as well. Now I could get two child seats in the back here with a nice little space in between, but not enough room for me to sit in there. With a rear facing child seat there was enough room for me to sit in the driver's seat in front, but no one really much taller, and I'm 162 centimetres. In the back of the Hyundai Venue, storage is really minimal. There's no cup holders, just a mat pocket on the back of each of the front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad. And there's the door bins, they're quite small but they will just hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's a little door handle wells too. In the front, storage is minimal too. There are two cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There's a phone charging well with two USB and a 12-volt socket in front of your gear lever. The central console box is really small in here, but it does have the armrest for the lid. There's a shelf in the front dash which is good for storage, and below that is the glove box which would hold my wallet but not iPad with the manual. The door bins are quite small in the front here. I could just fit a 600ml water bottle in there, and there are the little handles for storage too. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Hyundai Venue. Empty, it will hold 8 shopping bags, or the Duet tandem stroller and 3 shopping bags, or the Flex tandem stroller and 2 shopping bags, the Urban Jungle single stroller and 3 shopping bags, or the Nano compact stroller and 4 shopping bags, or a small dog with the parcel shelf removed. The Hyundai Venue is a nice fun little car to drive. However, it doesn't have much power when going uphill, and it can be really noisy and revvy. It does have a nice small turning circle though, which makes parking and manoeuvring really easy. The media system in the Hyundai Venue is really nice and simple and easy to use. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. When I put it into reverse, the camera image is nice and clear and fills the whole screen, and you can turn the parking sensor beeping off with a button down in the central console. So to sum up with the Hyundai Venue, it is a very funky and fun looking little SUV. And that small amount of space is nicely distributed across the boot space and the interior. And it's got a really lovely media system.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.